Hi, my name's Anna, and I would like to welcome you to the Art of Living. Well, today we're going to learn or relearn how to iron a shirt. If you're like me, I usually throw it in the wrinkle release in the dryer. But there are occasions where you need to have a little bit more of an ironed, crisp look. So we've got our ironing board and our iron, in case if you don't know what this is. You can steam from the iron, or you can get a bottle if there's a particular nasty wrinkle that you need to get out. It's always better to use a little water. But for ironing a shirt, first of all, you want to start off with the collar. And you do both sides. You do it right here. This isn't really a dress shirt, but it just gives you an idea. And you do the collar right here. That way it's good and crisp. And then you go to the sleeves. The sleeves are relatively easy to do. You kind of line up here where the seams are and pull it out. You can put it down this way. And you can get, it always seems to have a lot of wrinkles down here towards the, whoops, it's falling off. And you don't want to leave your iron on the fabric, but I did. It's not that hot. I've got it set for cotton. But you might want to make sure that this setting right here is set where you need it. Depending on the fabric, it might make it easier. So you iron that side, and then you flip it over. This is my husband's shirt, so he'll just be thrilled that it's half ironed. And then you do the other side. Kind of pull, that pulls the wrinkles out. So you do both sleeves. I won't do the other sleeve right now. But then you move on. This is always the worst for me, where it wrinkles up right there. So you want to put it like this, or you can put it like this to where it kind of hooks on and stays on there a little easier, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. But you want to try and get where the buttons are. That's really important if you want a crisp look, and try and get all the wrinkles out right there. Sometimes when I'm in a real big hurry, I'll use my straightener on the button part. I don't recommend you do that, but it is a quick way to straighten out the button section. Now you can do the flap on the pocket. If you do have pockets, they always seem to get a little wrinkled when you put them in the dryer. Press that out. And then here you'll start like up with the seam, and you'll go all the way down here. Come up and make sure, because this is always important. If you have an interview or something that you want to look a little extra nice for, it's important to get this section up here. And then you just kind of go around the entire shirt, just like this. And if there's pleats in the back, you can kind of iron those pleats right there to be a little bit more crisp. And you just keep going and repeat the same thing on the other side. So thank you so much for joining the Art of Living. This is Anna.